This is for my entrepreneur friends out there. If we took the risk and we started our businesses because we wanted more control, we wanted to be our own bosses. As attractive as that sounds, you know that it's so much harder than it really appears. I want you to remember, and the person that you were before, they're just not there anymore. You're a new person and you are driving towards those big goals, and it's something that we can all do together. And that's what we're going to be talking about today, are the steps that you take in being your own boss. For those of you who don't know me, it's Chris Prouty, and for the last 21 years, I have helped thousands of entrepreneurs and experts wildly grow their businesses by teaching them the step-by-step process to attract clients from the internet, but not in a way that you might think. If you're new to my channel, now would be a genius time to click the subscribe button and turn on the bell for notifications so that you get alerts every time I create new videos like this. And I was talking to some of my mentees today about what it's like to become your own boss and how there's that hesitation before you actually start. But then once you get started and you see what it's like, it's a totally different world. But before I get to talking about that, I would like to invite you to an on-demand class that I'm giving. And it's right here. If you go to proutyclass.com, you can get access to a training, a full-on workshop that's going to teach you how to attract clients to your business. It's a 5-step process that I follow and that I've taught to thousands of people, and you can learn it all in this class. Just go to proutyclass.com. It's on demand, and while you're there, you will actually have the opportunity to schedule a time to ask me questions about what you learned in that class. So just go there, proutyclass.com. I have a ton of fun teaching it. You're gonna have a ton of fun learning from it. All right, so head there right now. You know, my clients come to me because they have a product or service that has changed the world for the people that they've served. And even though they've had some clients and some success, they want more, and they want to continue to be the entrepreneur or be their own boss. And they don't ever want to think about doing something different. And so I help them get more clients to serve so that they can continue that entrepreneurial journey, because it's so fulfilling and it builds so much confidence when you're able to do so. So let's talk about the 3 things that you need if you are starting the process to be your own boss. Maybe you're thinking about being your own boss, or maybe you've been an entrepreneur for a while and you could use a little reminder. The very first thing that you need is the discipline to get the job done. That means every single day you are doing something that's moving you towards your goals, whether you want to or not. It is like becoming a machine where you wake up and you get to work and you take the steps. That's what discipline is. It's not motivation. It's not, oh, I wish I didn't have to do this. It's you wake up in the morning and you say, when can I get started? It's that level of discipline. So the very first thing you need, discipline. The second thing you need is the ability to focus for long periods of time. The reality is it's very difficult to get work done if you're not able to focus on it, and for a long period of time. If you can only get 30 minutes, it's not enough time. Or an hour, it's not enough time. It's going to take you 30 minutes just to get into a state of focus. But once you're in that state of focus, you should be able to work for an extended period of time very effectively. And the third thing that you need is the ability to resist the temptations that are going to come at you in every direction. You've got to be able to simplify everything that you do, and you simplify by resisting the temptation. You're going to have people that don't understand your entrepreneurial journey. They're going to be pulling you in weird directions to do things that don't move you towards your goals. You've got to resist those things. You've got to just say, no, I'm working on something right now. You're going to have distractions that are going to come at you in the form of new, interesting things that you want to try. Resist that. Simplify and get back to what you know works. We have this weird tendency as people to get something that works and then stop doing it. Spend time evaluating the things that work in your business and do more of those. Simplify, remove the complexity, remove the chaos, and stay focused on keeping things simple. You know, if you are serious about growing your business, this on-demand class that I've created is exactly for you. It's going to show you proof that social media is a great way to get clients into your business. I'm going to show you a ton of case studies about how it works, and then I'm going to give you a straightforward strategy that you can start applying right away. And if you ever want to attend this class live with me, you also have the opportunity to do that while you're taking the on-demand class. Heck, you could be applying this stuff an hour from now and getting clients as fast as possible if you just go here and register for that on-demand class. You know, I was talking with one of my mentees today, and she was telling me about how she got into that focused state and she was able to work for an extended period of time, distraction-free. And it was so inspiring to hear that, because I know that she's working on something that's going to change so many people's lives. So for her to make that kind of progress really, really inspires me and energizes me. So if I could give you one tip on what it's like to be your own boss and what you can do to be more successful, it's around being focused. And truly, if you're going to be focused on the work that you're doing, you must remove the distractions that are taking you off task. If I could show you my desk is distraction-free. The only thing I have on my desk is my tablet, my pen, and my computer, and a glass that I occasionally fill up with water to stay hydrated. But that's it. I don't have piles of paper. I don't have little gadgets. My phone is elsewhere, so it's not distracting me. My desk, my workspace is clear. If I were to show you the workspace on my computer, my workspace, my desktop, doesn't have a ton of icons or a ton of things on it. In fact, I empty it at the end of every single day. My computer is organized so that it is very simple, and I'm not distracted by notifications and applications and all that other nonsense. When I get to work, I'm at work and I'm focused because those distractions are gone. I would like you to try to do the same thing. Clean your desk. Get the piles of paper off of that desk. You know they're there. Get the distractions, the gadgets, the little trinkets. Get all that stuff off your desk so that you have that clean workspace that allows you to focus. That's the biggest tip that I can give you. But if you like that tip and you're looking for specific step-by-step strategies on how to get clients into your business, go take this on-demand class right now. And while everything that I've taught you today is incredibly important, it might not be the only information that you need, which is why I'm going to put a link for another video right here for you to go check out right now that's going to teach you more things about growing your business. And if you click on my face, that will let you subscribe to my channel, which would be incredibly cool if you did so, because I'll keep bringing you great content like this.